Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can private your featured photo on Facebook. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we get started, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then logged into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Right on top on the post, you'll be able to see an option as photos in the top left corner. You need to click on it. Next, you'll redirect to the page where you'll be able to see the photos of you or the pictures that you've posted on your Facebook. In order to private your featured photo, what you need to do is first thing, you'll need to select the photo that you want to make it private. And as soon as you select the photo, on the other interface, you'll be able to see on a white screen. Next thing, you need to click on the three dot icon located in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on the three dot icon, a drop down menu appears, and from there you need to click on edit privacy. On this page there is a statement as who can see your post. So from here you need to select the category. Since we are making it private, so you need to click on only me. In case if you want to make it public, which means that if you want everybody on the Facebook to be able to see a post, then click on public. And if you only want friends, then you just need to click on friends, which means that those who are on your contact list of your Facebook or the Facebook friends will be able to see your post. And then on the third interface you have friends accept, which means that you can select a specific group of people or a specific contact list to be able to see your post. And after that you have see more option. You can go through this all, and that is how you can feature your private post on your Facebook. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.